You want to shoot your own videos type shit, low key, low budget. You see what I'm saying? Hey, this VA, them people will lock you up. The Ali MGF video out here. So we're gonna try to, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to get some shots in out here, do some things. We're gonna be putting it together. Huntington Park, about to shoot this video. Cannons to the left of them. Cannons to the right of them. On my Jeffrey shit. You feel me? All right, and you can have something to drink. You can have some water. You know what I'm saying? You be good. And here's another lesson. When you get an idea for something, multiple cameras, bro. Set them up and make sure they're already ready to go beforehand. I'll show you how I fucked up. But it's cool. It's cool, you live and you learn. They got some nice monumental stuff out here, you know what I'm saying? Like monuments, and they got, feel me, that actually came off a boat. Go check that out real quick. It was actually on one of these situations. Feel me? See if you can get that right there. You feel me? So that's a legit situation. You got soldiers' names up there and all that. That was on that submarine. People come out here periodically. Be reckless and aggressive with your equipment. But it's a long ass trail, bro. Under all these, I don't know if you know what these are, but all of these trees right here on the interior are magnolias. These are all magnolias. It's a trail of magnolias that were planted for the lives that was lost during, I guess, World War II. I think that's what it said, World War II. And then got some arches over here that I'm going to utilize on this video situation, you feel me? So we're gonna get it popping here. You know what I mean? We're gonna set it up and do some things. See how some things look, work some things out, you know. And it's cool. It's pretty cool because you put this stuff down. It's pretty cool because you got a set of arches over here. You know what I mean? You got arches right here. And then we got more arches over here on this side. You see what I'm saying? So I'ma see right off of the street. People walking their dogs and shit. But we got some good angles out here. You know what I mean? Possibly some good looks. You know what I mean? We can get some good colors. You want to try to look for colors. Then try to, you know, I guess I got on like the blues with the browns, the reddish of that brick with the richness of the green of the cedar. You know what I mean? It'll nice evergreen. Then you got the greens over here and the magnolia back here. Over this one, it's kind of darker in this side, so I can get a little darker light over here. Try to get maybe a little more, you know what I mean? A little more intense feeling, but go for what you can find, what you see, kind of work with it, see what you can see, get little angles, whatever, you know what I mean? A lot of times it's good if you can go out to the site ahead of time and take pictures. You know what I mean? To see what angle, different angles in the different light. I didn't for this spot because I'm from here. I already know what it looked like in all the lights. You know what I'm saying? I've literally slept out here. It's a playground on the backside back there. When I was homeless, I slept out here. You know what I mean? Real talk. So, yeah, it's some legit shit. You feel me? I'll run over there to that playground too. I can show you the bench and everything. I might. Yeah, I'm gonna get a shot of it. I'm gonna gonna run over there to the bench, get a shot of it. And it'll be on the, I'll get some shots of where I used to sleep at sometimes when I was homeless. It's a lot of spots. Shit, if you want to see some more, leave, put it in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you want to see some more spots where I used to sleep at when I was homeless. Forgive me for the traffic, I'm tripping. Forgive me for the traffic, I'm tripping, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, if you really want to see some more spots where I used to sleep at when I was homeless, yeah, no doubt. Leave it in the comments, let me know. I'll put them up there, no question. You know what I'm saying? I'll put them in when I do my videos or whatever. If I'm close by one, I might, matter of fact, shoot videos in the locations so that, you know what I mean, I can be able to do that. Because there's a lot of spots out here. You know what I mean? It wasn't a bad time, but it was real, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it takes hard times to get you where you need to be. You see what I'm saying? Everything is not, woe is me. You see what I'm saying? I was homeless, but I was helping people out in my homelessness. I was, you feel me, not taking pity on myself. That's why I'm here right now making these moves, you feel me, trying to do what I do. You see what I'm saying? So here you go. I'm gonna let y'all get a little bit of this footage of what I just shot out here at this one arch. You feel me? So, you know what I mean? We trying to do some things. About to do a little wardrobe situation, a little minor wardrobe situation. It's good to have wardrobe changes. Here's another tip. When moving from scene to scene, location to location, turn your equipment off, man, because, you know what I mean? You want to preserve as much battery life as possible. You know what I'm saying? If your battery die, then your shot die. You know what I mean? You got some passerbyers. You turn that stuff off and try to preserve as much as possible. I got like a little battery recharger pack. It's at 100% right now. I could feasibly recharge at least one of these objects back to 100%. A camera, speaker, phone. Try to preserve as much as possible, really. And I am shooting this video right here, right now for you guys on my phone. I will be editing this and uploading this to YouTube. You watching it? It'll be the same thing. It'll be next location is right here. So, with a little minor wardrobe change. You want to give a little variety. I know I low budget, baby. What you doing? I'm saying you making the moves, doing what you doing. That's so moving forward. Okay, I want to emphasize something. It's cold. It's about to be cold as hell. I mean, it's already cold. My fingers is cold, but the show must go on. You know what I'm saying? We're passionate about our art. You feel me? About our craft. You feel me? This method acting and all this.
It's up to you. Test your will, test your skill. Make decisions, motherfucking live or die. It's your will. It's up to you. Do what the fuck you want to do. And if you don't got nothing left in, my nigga, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm gonna tell you this thing right here one time real clear. This nigga is right here in your ear. And his spirit is nice, his spirit is right, his spirit is tight. He's giving you light, he's giving you life. Hoping you taking it and apply it to your life. You feel me? Cause knowledge applied is wisdom I'm giving. So y'all niggas listen, pay attention. Boy, this shit is not written off the top of the dome.
I just shot a whole scene and I didn't press.
He's a monster boy.
I gotta go reshoot this scene again. I'm about to go do it.
Similarly, coming through for y'all niggas to
so I went on and went hard.
More principles than a teacher be or a motherfucking.
Took my shirt off. It's over, so I'm about to watch it. Gotta do it. Put my clothes back on because it's cold.
Yeah, I said it wrong the first time, but now I'm gonna say it right. And then I'm gonna come through and blaze the mic with some more shit off the top of my mouth. Alright, matter of fact, the tip of my mouth off, the tip of my lips and off the top of my phone. I'm going on, I don't know. I'm smoking too much this early this morning. I've been up since early this morning, get it in, doing my thing as I do every day in the beginning.
It's cold as hell, so I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna get some B-roll. Yeah, I was gonna try like a body cam angle, but I think I'm gonna pass on that one. I'm gonna get some B-roll of some of this nice historical good stuff out here, you know what I mean, some of this nature. My feet are damn near wet in these motherfucking shoes, and it's cold, but It is what it is. I'm gonna break this stuff down, put away what I don't need, and I'm gonna just go out and get some B-roll. B-roll is like extra shots, like so you can tell, you know, where they were at. Give more detail, more emphasis to close-up shots. It should have some meaning or value to the video. It shouldn't be just empty, useless, unless you're going for just all over the place, no meaning, no purpose. But I mean, if it's a storyline and it's a meaning to your video, then your B-roll should be in there to add to the quality. Alrighty, we all packed up.